cable for the rear. It goes into the car along this side. And there. This is the charging cable. This is the cable that connects to the rear camera. This is a charging cable. I can remove that. It comes right off. However, the cable, this is the cable that connects to the rear camera. I can't get it off. I can remove the, I'm doing this one-handed, so this is really difficult. Trying to remove the suction cup. Well, I can't right now. Trying to remove this. This isn't coming off. I can't remove this. Trying to do this one-handed. Can't even remove this suction cup because the cable here is in the way, but I can't remove this. I can't. This is not coming off. I can't get it out. Maybe I could see if I can remove this suction cup. Oh, okay. There we go. Suction cup removed. If I can't remove this. Okay, yeah, it's not coming off. It's stuck. Again, this is the cable that says it's supposed to attach, supposed to connect the rear camera. The cable runs into the car, and there it is. The cable for the rear. It connects to the front camera, and it cannot come off. It's stuck. I can't remove it. This is the charging cable. I can't remove. Can't remove it.